Hi, my name is Davi Rosa. I will make this video to try to show how I insert these studio flashes into the remote control system. Okay, thanks. So the studio flashes are Quantum T600 and the other one is also Quantum T300. Both of them are manufactured by Menik in China, which is the same factory that made the remote control, which is this one. Okay, here, as you can see, it's working. So I will try to register how I'm doing the step by step to assign the channels in the remote control. So first of all, I will turn on the studio flash. As you can see, it's perfectly working. Okay. As the manual says, first of all, I have to turn on the remote control and then choose from the J buttons, which is the channel buttons, any one from 1 to 8. So I will choose randomly number 2. So here, I don't know if you can see, it's showing number 2 as a channel. And after that, press the M button, which is the code, and meanwhile, at the same time, press the code and turn on the studio flash. So let's try to do. Kind of difficult, but also to point to the studio flash. Sorry. So at the same time, no. So I will try to hold it for more or less 10 seconds. It keeps pressed. I don't know if you can see here. It says icon showing that it is transmitting signal. I don't know how much, I'm not counting, but I try to hold it for more than 10 seconds. And the manual says that would make a do sign, saying that it's in the channel is assigned. So, but I guess it's past 10 seconds and nothing. I change here. The cell in here changes nothing. So I tried several ways. Firstly, I will press the code. Here it's the sign of the sending signal. I'm a little bit further from the flash. I will turn it on. Here I can see the icon of the wireless sign, but nothing happens. And I'm pointing to the studio strobe. Well, nothing. I tried also to reset the address code also, but in the manual said to do at the same time. I did it several times. Also, I asked to my brother to read the instructions, but I will try just by 2 seconds to prove you. I will turn it on, both of them at the same time, and hold just 2 seconds. Nothing. So I will try to the other one. Let's turn it off. turn off also the remote control. Okay. This one has another switch, on-off switch button, which is a good thing. I tried also with this button. Let's see. I will just turn it off a little. So far, let's try with this. First, turn on the remote control. I will assign another channel, 4, for example. I tried all the channels. So now I have to press code, and I will turn on, and the first time just turn it on without turning this button on the touch screen. If this one is kind of different, so I don't know. Pressed, and I will reset. I will hold the address code reset. So number 3, I come back to the number 4. So I will press the code button. Meanwhile, so I will wait 10 seconds. The other time I will try to the power button, also here. Well, strange. It was not pressed at all, so one more time. Well, nothing. So again, I will reset. Turn it on, off. Turn it on. And this time number 3. Reset again. Press the 2 at the same time. No, it's not pressed at all. Well, let's wait a little bit. Nothing. One more trial. This thing is a little annoying. No. The 2 up at the same time again. So the icon here shows up. Nothing. Reset. I'll go to channel number 6. Turn on. Yeah, turn off. Turn on. Address code. I press. The icon is showing. So display it. No, nothing. As you can see, I tried in several different ways, and I read the manual. Well, not just me, also my brother. He's also good with English as well. So I don't know if it's compatible, this model of this remote control, but in the photo tip, which is the site that I bought these studio strobes, studio flashes, the model showed on their website, it's the same model of this one.